Now we are going to design Turing machine for the set of strings starting with 0 and ending with 1. So as we are having Turing machine, that means we are going to have one tape over which we are going to write the strings. Okay, so whatever the possible accepted strings are 0, 0, 0 and then 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 and 1. That is, I am not interested in the middle portion of the string. I am interested in the beginning portion and in the end portion. So that means what we are going to do, first of all we will start reading the string. For example, this is a string. We will check with the first position. Then after checking if the first bit is 0, what I am going to do, I am going to just bypass the remaining portion of the string till I am going to reach the end of the string. So end of the string is marked by blank. After getting the blank position, what I am going to do, I am going to shift towards the right hand side and check what is present at the last position of the string. If it is 1, the string is accepted, otherwise the string is rejected. So this is regarding the accepted strings. Now we are going to consider the rejected string. So first of all is 1, 0, 0, 0, then 1, 1, whatever is the string, for example 0 also. So I am having the both the case has started with 1 ending with 1, that is a half partially correct. Fully rejected, in which the string has started with 1 ended with 0. So what again I am going to check the first position, last position I am going to check by by reading blank. After reading the blank, jump towards the right hand side, check the last bit. If the last bit is 0, that means it is rejected. And then nothing, if we don't have any string at all, we are having blank. So what we are going to do, we are going to reject the string. That means for this kind of example also, we are going to consider 3 different symbols, that is 0, 1 and B, that is blank. Now we'll start with the string initial state Q0. If what happen if your string has started with 0, if the string has started with 0, that is what is our expectation, that is according to our question, it is a 50% accepted string. Half of the question we got, so we can say this is 50% we got. So this kind of thing we can represent by some other new state. We got 0, so this is represented by the resultant state as Q1. So the resultant state is Q1. Do you want to change the input symbol? No, I don't want to change the symbol. Where you want to move, towards the right hand side or towards the left hand side? I am interested in reading the rest of the string, so the movement will be towards right hand side. This is the initial position, the first bit. Now if the first bit was 0, now if the first bit is 1, again initial case 0, so Q0 with the first bit is 1. If the Q0 with the first bit is 1, do you want to read the rest of the string? No, because this is not according to my question. So I will halt here itself. For example, I am taking Q3 for the halting position. So Q3 and no operation. I don't want to do any kind of operation, no operation. Okay, now next scenario, Q0 initial case is in the starting position only. I got blank, that means string is not present, so I can report to the user that there is some error, the string is missing. Okay, now I am interested in Q1. So what is Q1? The Q1 is what, at the beginning only I got 0, so this is Q1 and I have placed my pointer towards the right hand side, so this is Q1. Okay, the next bit again I have to consider 3 symbols. It can be 0. If it is 0, what is our algorithm? Ignore all the bits till we are getting blank. So ignorance means move towards the right hand side. So Q1 with 0 will be what? Move towards the right hand side. And if you want, you can change the state. Otherwise there is no need to change the state, just ignore. So Q1 with the next bit as 0, and the movement will be towards right hand side, because I want to ignore the string till the blank of the symbol, till the end of the symbol. Again Q0 with the next bit as 1. So what was Q0? Q0 means we had already read 0 in the first position, and the pointer was shifted towards the right hand side. This scenario is called as Q1. Now we are waiting for the next symbol. The next symbol will be 1. Do you want to read it? No, what is our algorithm? I want to just ignore all the bits till I'm getting blank. So I'm also not interested in doing anything. I just want to ignore and go ahead by putting Q1 as a resultant state, 1 as it is, and the direction will be towards the right hand side. Now again Q0, the first bit is 0, the pointer is shifted towards the right hand side. This is the Q1 state. Now the next symbol is, for example, blank. Again, what, this is the end of your string. I'm not getting 1, so this is the not according to our question. So what I can do, I don't know, I don't want to move further. This is not according to question. So what the state which is representing not according to question, we had marked as Q3. So again this is Q3 and no operation. So this question is not according, this string is not according to our question, so I'm not interested in moving further. Now again, so here instead of not moving further, this is end of the string, and what is our algorithm say, whenever we are finding blank here, I have to move towards the left hand side. So what, instead of not showing not interested in moving further, what I can do, instead of putting Q3 and no operation, I want that I have reached, I want to represent to the user that I have reached the end of the string by putting Q2, by using Q2 as the resultant state. I'm moving towards the left hand side and putting blank as it is. Okay, so what I got a new state as Q2. So what is Q2 is, I read this 0, and after reading 0 and 1 I got blank. This is Q2, and where we are here. Now according to the algorithm, after blank I should get 1. Now suppose if I am getting 0 here, so Q2 with 0, Q2 with 0, do you want that kind of operation? Do you interested in that kind of string? No, I want starting with 0 and ending with 0. So if I am getting 0 here, that means I got 50% of the solution only starting with 0. So I am not interested in that case. For that I have already have a state Q3 and no operation. Now next one, again 0, and after reading 0, 1 everything, I reach the end of the string. For that your pointer has shifted towards the left hand side, and this is Q2 state. If the number is 1, if the symbol is 1, so this is what we required. So this is what we required. So this we can do, we can say that this is Q4 and no operation. This is our final state. Okay, and so this is how we had designed the Turing machine, starting with 0 and ending with 1.